Hello, my name is Don Trader. I'm an SEO guy that does websites and ranks them to the top of Google. And you're in Milwaukee, you're in a big market, and I see opportunity for you to get a whole lot more crap load of business. And I just wanted to give you at least some free tips and tricks. I did give you a little free audit of your website. I did notice that looks like you did hire a website marketing agency. I don't never heard of them, but it looks like they're doing a bad job. So I'll give you some more tips and tricks here. So actually they did do some cool stuff. I like how this picture disappears and the map is good, the Google Maps. But I know you're in a huge market and you probably need to outsource your marketing. So I wanted to give you here's a expensive tool that they probably have, but so when I throw your website in here, so this is how many people in Milwaukee, crap, I'm on the side of the road, I need a cheap towing in Milwaukee. There's about 250 people per month looking for that. Looks like you're on the first page at the bottom. And same thing here, budget towing service, which is your name, so that's good. But like towing Milwaukee 150, Milwaukee towing services 300, you're only getting 1.4 average of that traffic per month. So you could be doing a lot better here. 250 to 6, 150 to 2, 80 to 2, 300 to 1. So there's a lot of money left on the table going to your competitors. And so here's another tool. So I already threw your website in here, and the title tag, home dash budget towing. That's you don't need home in there. People aren't searching for home. They're searching for Milwaukee towing. So that should say Milwaukee towing and then maybe a pipe and then your branding of your name. Same thing in the meta description. There is no meta description. It should say Milwaukee towing and then a description of your other services, including your name. So, roadside assistance, junk cars, and same thing here, header tags. You got 3 header H1 tags. You really only need one, and one of them needs to say Milwaukee towing. It needs to be super consistent. And then H2 tags, this is where you can, junk cars, 24/7. You don't need what our customers saying. So that's about it. Those are some things. They should be easy to fix, and then that would just doing these 3 things would tell Google exactly who you are, where you are, and what you're doing. Towing cars. So this would immediately have positive effects on your website. So let your agency know or hire me. So, but those are some free tips. Um, I can fix all this if you want me to. I offer money back guarantees, 60 days, 90 days. I get websites up to the top 3 within probably 30 days on your website since you already got a head start. And so if you got any questions, if you want more tips, just fire back. I wanted to keep this video short. I know you're busy, so my name's Don again. Have a good day.